Baby arugula tossed with olive oil and balsamic, topped with crisp, oven-baked oyster mushrooms, coated with panko and Parmesan. This is so amazing. It's a super tasty, crispy mushroom salad with Parmesan. I'm gonna go on record saying this is absolutely incredible. Wait for it. We are tossing oyster mushrooms in panko and Parmesan. We're oven baking them so they're golden and crispy. We're gonna toss baby arugula with olive oil and aged balsamic. Then we head over to plates. The warm, crispy mushrooms go on the greens. Okay, honestly, when it comes to an easy, delicious salad idea, doesn't get much better than this. Let's go. Oven goes to 425 degrees. Both racks are in the top 2 positions. We have 2 pounds of oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna clean them by rubbing away the dirt with a damp paper towel. Take the larger shrooms, we're gonna divide them in half or quarters right down the middle. Place them into a large bowl. The smaller ones are already good to go, so toss them in as well. Next, you're gonna need panko crumbs for the recipe. I'm using gluten-free today. They add a really nice crunch to this recipe. Plus, grab a hand grater. We're gonna grate up some good quality Parmesan cheese. You're gonna need olive oil, good quality. Drizzle about 3 tablespoons over the mushrooms. Toss with one hand. Make sure they're all lightly coated in oil. Then use your other hand to sprinkle half a cup each of Parmesan and panko crumbs. Now we're gonna toss the mushrooms gently but thoroughly. Make sure every single mushroom is evenly coated. We're gonna divide and spread them out evenly onto 2 baking trays. In they go to the oven bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Those mushrooms need to go golden brown. While the mushrooms are oven baking, here's what I want you to do. Not much, just have the following at the ready. You're gonna need 6 cups of baby arugula. We need some high quality aged balsamic vinegar as well as olive oil, and then freshly cracked black pepper and sea salt flakes. That's it. 2 minutes before the mushrooms are done, arugula goes into a big salad bowl. Let's drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of that aged balsamic vinegar. Do a sprinkle of black pepper and a sprinkle of sea salt flakes. Toss gently, really gently. You want this to be light and fluffy. We're gonna divide the salad onto 4 plates. And just like that, those oyster mushrooms are golden brown. They are done. You're gonna need to scrape them up off of the baking sheet a little bit. Then we're gonna add them onto the arugula salad, add some freshly cracked black pepper, a few more sea salt flakes, and then a tiny sprinkle of Parmesan. And this salad is ready to be enjoyed. You ready to make it? So easy. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, when a salad is this delicious and looks this appetizing, we want you to take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Crispy mushroom salad with Parmesan. And do this a little drizzle of balsamic vinegar right before you dig in. Perfect.